external sounds of happiness. What I write now has been written before, all done before. Shockingly, at therapy, Everett finds Alex's butterflies sweet, growing decidedly more and more anxious, hands full of caffeine and sweets for his beloved, finally treated the way she deserved. Like a queen, like the princess of his heart, 1 year, the last Christmas of their parents' part, to the holiday of their dreams. It was about 3.5 when they went for heavens. Discreet as usually, Molly appears, amused from a long passed away dream. And Alex looks back into her memoirs of the alley jar, where she and her friends used to add each day a coin for times of hardship to turn sweet around. And make from bitterness love insane. Yeah, love insane. And only God knows, only angels know the path to what's good and real joy.